Shalom everyone, Ate Ay once again. Guys, for today's vlog, ang isi-share ko naman sa inyo ay ang conjugation ng infinitive verb to wish. In Hebrew, liakhel. Again, pag-aaralan natin kung paano natin ito sasabihin kapag present tense, past tense, and future tense according to the gender. Okay guys, bonatkel. Present tense, wish. For masculine singular, miakhel. Ani, miakhel. Ata, miakhel. Hu, miakhel. Present tense, wish. For feminine singular, miakhelet. Ani, miakhelet. At, miakhelet. Hi, miakhelet. Present tense, wish. For masculine plural or mixed gender, miakhalim. Anachno, miakhalim. Atem, miakhalim. Hem, miakhalim. Present tense, wish. For feminine plural, miakhalot. Anachno, miakhalot. Aten, miakhalot. Hen, miakhalot. Okay guys, for past tense, wish. Ikhalti. Ikhalta. Ikhalt. Ikhel. Ikhala. Ikhalno. Ikhaltem. Ikhalten. Ikhalu. Ikhalu. Okay guys, let's move to the future tense kung paano natin ito sasabihin. For future tense, will wish. Ani, aakhel. Ata, teakhel. At, teakhali. Hu, yeakhel. Hi, teakhel. Anachno, neakhel. Atem, teakhalu. Aten, teakhelna. Hem, yeakhalu. Hen, teakhelna. Okay guys, now ibibigay ko naman ang imperative or ang command kung paano nyo ito sasabihin according to the gender. Imperative wish. For masculine singular, akhel. Imperative wish. For feminine singular, akhali. Imperative wish. For masculine plural, akhalu. Imperative wish. For feminine plural, akhelna. Okay guys, muli dito po natatapos ang vlog na ito. Hope nag-i-enjoy kayo at nakakatulong sa inyo ang mga verb na isinishare ko sa inyo. Guys, sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe, please subscribe na and don't forget to like, share, comment, and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong manotify kapag may bagong upload na videos. Guys, amo naman to dali Kim. See you on my next vlog. Lihitraot!